All right, hey guys, what's up? We hit 2,000 subscribers. I got on the computer, I don't know, a few days ago. I was like, what? I hit 2,000 subscribers! Thank you guys so much for that. All of you new subscribers, all you guys that have been here for a long time. I don't know what his name is now. I know he changed it, but I think it was 95666. He's the oldest subscriber that I can remember. But it'd be interesting to know, how long have you guys been subscribed? Let me know down in the comments. What was your first video of mine that you saw, and why did you stick around? I probably shouldn't ask my viewers, hey, why do you like my videos anyway? You probably have noticed that the uploads have slowed down a little bit. I was really enjoying uploading 2 times a week. It was like, wait, I upload 2 times a week. That means I gotta make like twice as much content, and I just haven't been able to do that. I would love to do a giveaway. I really would, because you guys have been so awesome and commenting on my stuff and interacting with each other. Such a great community too. There's been some disagreements on some of my videos, but you guys are very calm about it. You don't like tear each other to shreds, spit them out, run you over with an 18-wheeler, back it up, send you through a nuclear waste plant, and you guys don't do that. You're very calm about it, and I really am enjoying the community that we've built around this hobby. So I just thank you guys for being awesome, and that's a half reason why I'd love to do a giveaway. I'm just in no financial spot to do a giveaway. If I was, what kind of stuff would you guys want? Like, would you guys want a car? Would you want a radio, servo, tire? What kind of stuff would be a good giveaway? Let me know that as well in the comments, for when I am able to do giveaways, I can be like, this is what they want, this is what they said they wanted, so let's go ahead and get it. Another thing to post down in the comments, what kind of content do you guys want to see? I want to do another review video, probably of a car that's not an associated car. Like if I do get the B61, which I'm not sure if I will, but I might. Is that guy revving his engine again? But I really want to try something else, like maybe an X-ray or something. Another thing I wanted to thank you guys for was that my watch time has gone up significantly. That probably was helped with me uploading more, 6 times a month instead of 4 times a month. That's what I meant by twice a week, not by once a week, but 6 times a month. So I was doing twice a week, every other week. So I thank you guys for that. My watch time has gone up, which means that you guys are watching my videos throughout the whole thing, which is good, because that means that my videos get ranked better and more people can see it, and that means more viewership for me. And I'm trying to get my channel monetized again, which means that I can bring more cooler stuff to you guys. Again, thank you guys for the 2 million. Oh, that would be nice. For the 2,000, and we'll see where we go from here on, all the way up to my 100,000 YouTube plaque. That'd be pretty dope. All right, so let me wrap this up before I start repeating myself, because I think I already have. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Hit that notification button so you guys can be notified when I upload stuff. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week or at the track.